Gusto ko ipakita sa inyo kung gaano karaming lemongrass. We have a lot of lemongrass here in the Philippines. Look. Lemongrass here, lemongrass there. Everywhere had a lemongrass. Over there have a lemongrass. And the chicken is native. Chicken of the Philippines, native. And the look, our chicken. And the people in the Philippines are native too. Look. Sinong kumuha ng papaya? Oh. Papaya. The papaya is ripe already. And this one, chili. The chili. Oh, nalalaglag lang yung mga sili dito. Chili is never mind. Oh, never mind. Just understanding what did I see. Because I don't know how to speak English fluently. Atak eh. We have a lot of, what is this? Papaya. And we have a lot of cassava. Cassava in Tagalog is kamoting kahoy. We have a lot of kamoting kahoy here, everywhere. Look. Oh, you see? How cassava is a lot of cassava, and we have a papaya over there, and we have a banana. Look, our banana is big. His heart is big. You know what is heart? Over there. Oh, over there. Where? Look, that is heart. The red one. The red one is the heart of banana. Aray, kinagat ako ng langgam. Aray ko. Okay. Let's go to other side of our farm. We have a papaya there. We have a papaya there. We have a gabi. Gabi. Look. Gabi here. And we have a bougainvillea flowering. They are flowering right now. Okay. And we have a, what is this? Ano ba ito sa Tagalog? Sirisas. We have a tree of sirisas. We have a papaya pa pala. We have a lemongrass. Oh, lemongrass everywhere. Lemongrass. We have a lot of lemongrass sa bawat palibot ng aming bahay. Around our house. Our house is like a puzzle. No, that is not a puzzle. Our house is colorful already. But the termite, yung termite ay binira na ang aming house. Wala kasing nakatirang tao. Oh, our corn. That is malagkit corn. White malagkit corn. Oh, nagbunga na siya. Nagbulaklak na siya. Oh, that's all for today, folks. Just subscribe my channel.